I'm Justin, professional dryer vent cleaner with over 8 years of experience cleaning out some of the biggest dryer vent clogs ever. And I'm here to share with you some ways to tell if your dryer vent is clogged. Number one, this one's the easiest. This is the paper test. So what you're going to do is you're going to turn your dryer on and open the door if your lint tray is inside the door. And then there's a button that lets the machine run but turns off when the door's open. So just put your finger there or a piece of tape so it still runs with the door open, and then take a piece of paper and hold it by where the lint tray goes, and that paper should be getting sucked into there very strongly. If you put the paper there and nothing happens, then that means that you have an airflow issue. Also, if you have a lint tray on the top of your dryer, then you could just remove that lint tray and put the paper there and see. But this test only tells you if there's airflow. If you're getting good airflow and your clothes are still not drying, there could be other problems. Number one could be that your transition vent is smushed or damaged behind the dryer, and then all of the air is just going into the spot behind the dryer. I've seen this a lot when dryers have countertops over it, or it's a really tight fit and you can't see what's going on behind it. So if you're having issues with your dryer not drying, and you can safely and carefully move out your dryer and see what's going on behind there, that is a good idea. Another thing that I've seen a lot is an attic disaster. A lot of times when they put the vent together in the attic, they only use regular duct tape, or sometimes they don't even secure it at all. They just put it together like Legos, and it falls apart and there's all the lint blowing into the attic, and it's not making it outside of the house. Now, this one is tricky because on days where it's cooler out, your dryer might dry fine, but on days where it's really hot and there's not a temperature difference between the dryer and the air in the attic, then your clothes aren't going to dry very well. So this is a very big reason why dryers do not perform the way they should. The lint screen is clogged with lint. I've seen people think that the lint in there, the huge piece of lint, was like a filter or something, but it was just clogged with lint. Another thing is, if you use dryer sheets, it could leave a chemical residue on the lint screen, which will prevent the clothes from drying properly. So I recommend using dryer balls instead of dryer sheets, and I'll leave a link down below for the ones that I recommend. Another thing could be that the whole inside of the dryer is completely clogged, not allowing airflow. And a lot of times people will have someone come clean their dryer vent every couple of years, but they won't open up the machine. They'll just blow out the vent and call it a day. And then when you open this machine, it's completely filled with lint. So I would definitely recommend getting the inside of your dryer vent cleaned properly. And if you want to learn how to do it yourself, check out this video over here. Thank you.